A lot of people have been asking me about seeing my van setup, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what our van setup looks like here. So close the door here so you can get the full experience here. So here's our van, here's our wrap. Our current wrap on here, it's gonna get re-wrapped. As you can see, we got a lot of cracking and everything like that there. So we're going to be pulling off this old wrap and re-wrapping both of the vans. The other van is across town at Cameron's house. So we're going to be building out the second van that Cameron has to look like this van right here. So as you can see here, I have a True Spray backpack 1, True Spray backpack number 2. I have my hose here for my tank. I have my creeper, aero creeper down here. I like to have the wheels over here because it kind of locks that in place. I have a foldable 3-stage cart right here, a Gorilla step ladder, my little small Gorilla ladder here in the middle. I got my wash bucket for our hybrid method right here. So I'll have that, fill that up with water there. That'll be good to go there. Then I have our towel container here. So this top one is going to be all the wash mitts and interior towels. And then you pull open the second drawer here, and it's going to have extra water flasks here for our backpack sprayers and all of our blue exterior degreasing and debugging towels. And then our third towel rack down there is going to be our big dry towels. Okay. On the other side over there, we have a laundry basket we can throw all of our dirty towels in. We have a table back here if we need to set this up for like extracting carpets or something like that. We have our plank here for whenever we have scaffolding jobs that we need to have both ladders here. We could put this ladder and that ladder up with the scaffolding in between there. Here we have our extension pole here. We got multiple extension poles, an extra gallon. I believe that is degreaser there. I usually keep extra gallon of degreaser and bug cleaner just in here so the guys can refill the van up. I have my respirators over there. Then I'll show you the back setup of the van. So the back setup here, open it up. We have our interior cleaners here. It's gonna be turn and burn, final approach, glass cleaner, stain eliminator, and carpet rescue. So this is gonna be all of our interior cleaners. With our brushes, our light makeup brushes for interior, our stamp here, and our exterior detail brushes, okay? Over here we have our exterior cleaners. We have 2 degreasers, a quick detailer, I have a second quick detailer down here, and then we have 2 bug cleaners as well. For our heavy duty stains, we have our red 1 red stain remover. We have our safe seal for doing polymer sealants, and we have our rinseless to put inside of our bucket. It's our rinseless concentrate. We put 1 ounce per gallon whenever we're doing our hybrid wash method. So coming over here, we have our pull-out drawers here for our generator and our vacuum. And we also have battery and plug-in lights here as well that we plug in. We have a little Bissell extractor back there for little small extractions that we do. Whenever we have heavy extractions, we have our Mighty that we bring with us. Pull out our drawer here. We have 2 rotaries, 2 DAs, and we have our 3-inch DAs, 2 3-inch DAs. Make sure the batteries are all set on there, 100%. Make sure batteries are all set on there, 100%, perfect. Okay. This is a charger for our True Spray backpack there. Then our next drawer here. Pull out this drawer here. And we have our new pads, a couple of used pads in there as well. These are all of our new pads that we're going to be using whenever we go to polish a job. We change this out per job that we have coming up. This is for our rotary pads here as well. We have all of our new tough twisted wool pads here, some foam pads. We also have our low lamb's wool pads as well. And then this basically is going to be all of our polishing equipment here. So this is going to be all of our Nuvite F7 CS. We're going to have our cut. I got to put 1 step here. Cut 1 step in our finish polish here. We have our plastic drop cloth here. We have our tire brushes here for cleaning tires. We can put this back in the house. You check the battery here. Good battery there. We have 2 things of mineral spirits here. We have some F9, extra rolls of tape, and then we also have our rakes here as well. So make sure we have our rakes for our metal polishing all the time. So this is all set. And then our last drawer here, I don't really pull this last drawer out too much, but as you can see here, there's a drawer here with little knick-knack things in here. I have our carpet brushes in here. I have our scrub ninjas in here. Things like that. It kind of just kind of sits in there, ready to go. And then I have our black foam pads for whenever we're doing our polymer sealant. That's why I keep our clay towels up here as well. And then our extension poles kind of go up here. And then over here, I have a little drop down cart right here. I fill this up with our applicator pads for ceramic coatings. That all has this little spot. So everything has its own little spot up here as well. And I can still put some more things down here. I'm probably can put some of the battery chargers in here. I just haven't cut it out and put them up there yet. So closing this up here, we have our ladder rack on top for our big ladder. Come around to this side. We have our empty space here. This is where I usually keep our tank for doing the bottom part of the aircraft. I gotta put that in here for tonight. We have our paint depth gauge here as well. We're doing our paint enhancements. And then I put my 2 vacuums here, kind of strap them up. I have a little extract that kind of holds them in place here. I just put my vacuums right there. And then we have our extension cords here. And that is pretty much our whole van setup. So I hope you guys like it.